Trump administration's ongoing push to slash the federal workforce took a new turn over the weekend. About 80,000 people who work for RFK Jr.'s Department of Health and Human Services, they were offered a $25,000 buyout to quit their job. And starting this morning, those employees can let the agency know if they're taking the deal or not. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey joins us live from Capitol Hill with the latest here. So, Tom, what else do we know about what was in this email and this offer that these workers received?
Hey, good morning from Capitol Hill, Markie. Look, these buyout offers can impact workers who research diseases for the CDC, as well as do food inspections for the FDA, and even people who help with aid through the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. So obviously the impact of these buyout offers will be pretty big, but it's important to note that with these buyout offers, they are voluntary, with the writing sort of on the wall for the past few weeks after the president last month instructed all federal agency heads to have a plan for large-scale staffing reductions by March 13th. That's this Thursday, all part of the big effort by the federal government to slash $2 trillion in federal spending. Health and Human Services has an annual budget of around $1.7 trillion for some perspective, but the vast majority of that money, 85% of it is dedicated to Medicare and Medicaid. In fact, the most recognizable agencies like the CDC, FDA, and NIH account for about $70 billion of the HHS budget. So those Health and Human Services employees can start responding to that buyout offer today. And just to put this in perspective, this obviously comes after around 2 million federal workers got buyout offers earlier this year, and right around 75,000 of them accepted that offer. But again, all this part of this effort by the federal government to slash government spending and reduce the workforce numbers, Markie.
Yeah, we're curious to see how many of them end up walking, especially right now when the country is dealing with this measles outbreak. We'll talk about this all throughout the show this morning. Tom Dempsey, thank you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.